Ky'Oshee, where I do budgeting, natural hair, and lifestyle. Subscribe to my channel.
Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I have a date night inbox. So that's what I will be opening for you guys and letting you guys see what's inside. But before we get into this box, please make sure you like this video, comment down below, and subscribe right here. I'll be so grateful for you. And let's get right into this video. Alright, so first thing first, thank you date night inboxes. Like, I really appreciate you guys for sending me my second box. The first box was a kids night inbox, so if you guys want to go check that out, please go check out my previous video. And this month I got a date night inbox. So first of all, what a date night inbox is, if you can't go out on a date with your significant other, you'll get sent a box every month for the price of $41.99 for each box, I'm pretty sure, every month. And they ship out. I'll put all the prices and things on the screen. They also have date night faith inboxes if you are religious. And every month is a different theme. All the links will be down below. So let's get right into this box, you guys. So this is the beautiful box this month. And like I told you, every box is a different theme. So as you can see, the theme for this box is Sensing More. It says, welcome to your Sensing More date night inbox. And then it says, this month we are doing things a little different. Please visit the link below to get your date started. So I'm going to have to go on the computer for this date, it looks like. So let's look what's in it, these goodies. So first thing first, I don't know what this is. Okay, let's open it. Okay, what is this? I am opening for the first time with you guys, so please be patient. Okay, this is just some candies. These are cute. And it looks like different kind of flavors. They look like caramels. Oh, black lava sea salt. Basil kite. Oh, wow. Okay. You look like, and then single malt scotch. So, wow. So, and then there's like one more in here. Let's see what's this one. What are these? They're clearly like little candies. This one is topped maple. Okay, nice. So that one was in here. Oh, you guys, look, it says candies. I'm so special, jeez. And this one says Sensing More, and it's massage cards. Yes. If you need to deep tissue massage, and then it comes with some instructions and the massage oil. I love it. And you guys, this will get sent right to your box. I'm getting too excited, knocking the box away. And then these are, oh, this is so cute. These are little candle soy wax melt. Yes. Smells delish. And then there are 2 pens. So it looks like we'll be writing something. 2 cute pens, love pens, adding to my collection. And there's also a pieceless puzzle. Ooh, I can't wait for this. Okay. I never heard of a pieceless puzzle. Can't wait for that. I wonder if I should open it. Oh yeah, I'll just open it. So you guys can see. You guys go check out these boxes. Oh, this is really cute. You see the little puzzles? That's really cute. Okay. I'm seeing, okay, a wooden knife. They're so creative. Like, I'm like, they are freaking creative. And then it just says, oh, taste test. That's why Sensing More. I get it now. All right. And then the tasting mat, and then all those little candies, and you're gonna have to write. That's really cute. And then tasting scorecard. And then the caramel flavors, the smell, the taste, the timing, and the scores. Then they also, I love how they also always put like little recipes, like in, like, you guys. Just awesome. then a little redeem a $50 credit on your first box. Use it. So that's all that was in the box today. And then there's just this beautiful stuffing. I cannot wait to have my date. Thank you so much, Date Night Inboxes. I really appreciate you. And I hope you guys go check out these boxes. There's also Kid Night Inboxes, Date Night Inboxes, Date Night and Faith boxes. So make sure you guys go check that out. All the links will be down below. I will be also putting like a little screen recording so you guys can see, because you can also just get like one box. Like you can pay per box, like you don't have to pay every month, but if you do want to pay every month, it will be $41.99, $41.99, and free shipping. Like awesome, and it will be sent right to your door every day. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this box with me, and if you did, please make sure you like this video, comment down below, and subscribe right here. Have a good day. Bye.